How to fix no signal issue in ThinkPhone 25. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then swipe down to your control center. And here you can turn on or off your airplane mode. After turning on or off your airplane mode, then reinsert your SIM card. After inserting your SIM card, then open Settings. In Settings, scroll down and click on System. And click on Reset Options. And here you can see the option Reset Mobile Network Settings. Now click on it and then click on Reset Settings. After reset network settings, then check your system updates. Now click on system updates and here you can check your system updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.